Hi guys, this is Ayan. I'm a costume stylist from Tollywood industry. I'm here today to support Black in Vogue. I think Omen can play any character. She is beautiful as a daughter, she is beautiful as a sister, she is beautiful as a friend, she is beautiful as a wife, and she is beautiful as a mother, even a grandmother. So Omen is beautiful in every aspect. Everyone in industry like Srabanti, Rituparna Sengupta, Shubhashree Ganguly, Devashree Roy, Rachana Banerjee, everybody মানে সবার সাথেই কাজ করেছি, ইভেন ইন্দ্রাণী হালদার সবার সাথেই করেছি, অপরাজিতা আঢ্য, অঞ্জনা বাসু, in recent times দর্শনা বণিক and all. But সবাই খুব সুন্দর, everybody is beautiful. I love to work with Rituparna Sengupta again and again. If you say fashion, she can carry anything. She is very experimental and she can carry anything. কি বলবো, fashion identity. India is most richest and experimental in terms of fashion. We do have different state and they have their own traditions of fashion attire. I mean to say their traditional attire. Like Maharashtrian, they have their own traditional attire. Punjabis, Bengalis, South Indian, Northeast, everyone have their own traditional attire. So in terms of fashion, we are most richest in all over world. Person style statement. Guys, you can see me. I'm very casual person. Today I'm wearing black because I want to support Black in Vogue team. So that's why I'm wearing black today. And please guys, support Indian handloom industry. I mean to say Indian textile industry. So try to wear whatever you want to wear it, be comfortable, but try to wear cotton and cotton based fabric which helps Indian handloom industry. Sari is most beautiful attire in India. Wherever you go, in everywhere you can see Indian women in sari, and they love and they look good in sari. You can take sari as traditional wear, you can take sari as office wear, you can take sari as party wear. See, now these days girls are very comfortable in kurti, jeans, t-shirt and shirts, but sometimes you can wear sari in your office because it gives you a different look and at the same time it gives you confidence also. So do wear sari and love sari. I have so many role models, but here I want to say somebody's name because I love her. She is a fighter, Mamata Banerjee. You know her. So I love Mamata Banerjee because she is my role model in terms of her fighting skill. She is a person je kokhono har mane na. I mean to say she is what I have to say, she is strong, she is fighter, she is a mother, she is everything. Whatever you want to wear, just wear it, but try to wear cotton based things because it's very eco-friendly. See, Black in Vogue also support cotton because they want to make you aware about eco-friendly things. And the kind of weather we are having here in India, you have to wear cotton and cotton based things which gives you a comfortable or at the same time gives you a different look and give you a very classy look if you wear cotton and cotton based things. I'm here to support my team Black in Vogue because I love their work. Why, you know? They're trying to bringing up our own industry, that is our handloom industry. So I support them. Please do support Black in Vogue team.